Ito po yung ating pinagbabawal na pagkakas sa motorcycle. Kailangan daw po motorcycle ay bawal po itong angkas ng bata dito. Usually dapat ang mga bata nakangkas sa likod at dapat ang bata abot itong foot peg kapag nakangkas sa motorcycle. Kapag daw po hindi abot itong foot peg ng bata, yan po yung pinagbabawal. Yeah. So first, offense, 1,000. Second, 5,000. Third is a city offense, 10,000. Plus, suspension of your driver license for 1 month. Republic Act number 10913, yung Anti-Distracted Driving Act 2016. Okay. Yung habang kayo nagdadrive, bawal daw po yung paggamit ng cellphone. Sabi nga, kaya nga lagi usually, kapag kayo nagdadrive, ino-off namin yung inyong mga cellphone. Number 1 yan. It prohibits and penalizes any driver who is distracted while driving or while temporarily stopped. Ito, posting, reading e-books, playing games via mobile, watching TV, yan po. Ang first offense pa lang, 5,000. Second, 10,000. Third is 15,000. Yan. If ever kayo isang penalty, ang penalty naman sa 30,000, the suspension of your driver license in 3 months shall be imposed upon if ever kayo ay isang driver ng isang public utility vehicle, kung ay driver ng isang school bus, school service vehicle, common care, holding balotech lambol, toxic material, yun po ay mas malaki yung penalty. If ever yung apat na yan, ay kaya po yung minamanayaw nila. Republic Act 10913, Road Speed Limiter Act. Sa speed limiter na to, okay, ito yung usually na ilalagay sa isang public utility vehicle. Public utility vehicle, sabihin sa mga for hire. Yan. Kapag po nilagyan niya ang speed limiter na yan, pagdating sa 60, nag-alert siya, 2222. Yan, supposedly dapat mag-control na sila ng speed. Inilalagay yan sa mga isang public utility vehicle. Sa Luzon kasi, inilalagay ninyo mga bus, taxi, or any public utility, meron po yan. Dito wala pa. Yung speed limiter na yan. Okay, then sa Republic Act 11229, Child Safety in Motor Vehicle Act, implement of 2019. Sabi dito, a child 12 years old and below must sit in the rear seat of the motor vehicle with standard child restraint system. O yung child restraint system, dapat daw po yung 12 years old pababa, nakaupo sa likod, then naka-child restraint system po na upuan. Yan, ito po yung dapat na upuan isang bata between na 12 years old pababa. The Republic Act 11235, yung Motorcycle Crime Health Prevention, kaya nilagay ito motorcycle crime prevention na to is sa dami po ng krimen na usually ang ginagamit yung mga motorcycle. Kaya ilagay ito. Patas na yan. Sabi niya, if a motorcycle is used in a commission of a crime, constituting a grave felony under the revised penal code, honor the drivers and the backriders. Is 30 years imprisonment. If a motorcycle is used in the commission of a crime, considering less grave felony or light felony, meron din siya 6 years to 1 day to 20 years. If a cis motorcycle is used in the commission of a crime, maximum penalty, relevant of offense, if dead or serious physical injuries, is imprisonment for at least 30 years. Kaya yung erasing, tape, erasing, forging, imitating, covering number plate or readable number plate is up to 50,000 to 100,000 plus 6 and 20 or 20 years ang kanyang prison mayor. Dapat daw po yung mga plate number ng motorcycle ganito makakita malinaw. Kaya pinagbabawal yung mga erase yung malam, yung plate number niya, bawal po yun. Okay. Joe, number 2014. Okay, kayo magbabasa, ako yung magpapaliwanag. Sabi nga, first, okay. Violation in connection with licensing. Driving without valid driver license. Driving a motor vehicle used in a commission of crime. Commission of a crime in a composed of operation. First, sa third, 3,000 plus 1 year suspension. 10,000 plus perpetual disqualification in impounding motor vehicle. 10,000 plus 5 years suspension in impounding motor vehicle. Pag po kayo nag-drive without valid driver's permit or license nyo, wala kayong license na nag-drive kayo ng motor vehicle, kung nahuli, automatic 3,000 agad. Ano? Then, driving a motor vehicle used in a commission of crime, yung ginamit sa krimen po yung sasakay ninyo, yan, automatic 10,000 ang penalty niyan. Then, pero usually, kapag yung motor vehicle or motorcycle ginamit sa krimen, ang nangyayari po dyan is impound lagi yung sasakyan. Automatic impound agad yan. Then, commission of a crime in a course of operation plus 10,000 pa rin. Yan, sa krimen pa rin, 5,000 po yung penalty. Okay, next natin. Ito.
Reckless driving, first offense to the